Hi everybody, it's Andy from the IHS Library. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get full text of articles in PubMed using Seton Hall Library's Find SHU service. I'm going to start from the IHS Library homepage and use the link to PubMed there. Using the link from the homepage, you'll notice there's a special suffix appended to the regular PubMed URL, and that tells PubMed that we're Seton Hall users. That way, when I open up an article record, this Find SHU button shows up. I'll click on it, and it takes me to a page that tells me whether or not we have the article online at SHU. In this case, we do have the article online. I'll click View Full Text, and it takes me to the full text of the article. This method works in other SHU license databases, by the way, so always look for that Find SHU button to get the full text when you're searching in a database. While we have online access for many articles, that's not always the case. For this article, for example, turns out we don't have online access. I have good news though, which is that you can still request a copy of the article for free by clicking this button, Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. I'll fill in my login credentials. Click Log on to Iliad. And it takes me to a form that's pre-filled with the article information. So all I have to do is check over that information and make sure it's accurate. Then I'll click Submit Request. Once you place the request, SHU library staff will request the article for you, and they'll email the PDF to you, usually within a couple of days. If you need help with any of this, email us at ihslibrary@shu.edu.